In this video, you will learn how to complete your business account setup using the Account Setup Assistant in Myaccountant. When you log in for the first time, you will notice that your account setup is already 90% complete. To complete the setup, click Resume Setup from the orange banner at the top of the screen. Enter your ABN and click Validate. If the ABN is valid, your business name will be filled in automatically. Need to change it? Click the Clear button and enter a new one. If you do not have an ABN yet, click on Skip to proceed. Complete your business address and click Next. Enter your bank account details, including account name, BSB, account number, and bank name. These details are required if you'll be using our integrated super clearinghouse beam. The bank details will be used to process super refunds. Click Next. You'll now see your 10-digit software ID and software provider name. Make a note of this. You'll need it to register Myaccountant with the ATO before making STP submissions. Review your ATO branch code and update it if needed. Then click Next. This takes you to the pricing plan selection page. In the next video, we will go through the steps to enable a payroll plan. Useful tips. The Account Setup Assistant is the fastest way to get started, especially if you're new to payroll. Be sure to register your software ID with the ATO before your first STP lodgement. You can return to settings anytime to update or review your business information.